gonna sit here until either someone comes or the bus leaves or the windows clean. How would you know that girl? You've got friends?
Okay, come on. Oh, come on, Dad. Okay, go that way. This way.
Because the bus will be gone shortly anyhow.
There's my keys.
As cold as the window is.
Does Mikey know Karen?
Looks like Kaden knows that girl.
Alright, bus driver, get the move on. Move it, move it, move it on. Move it up, move it up, move it on, move it on, move it up, move it up, move it on, move it on. I've got birds that jingle, jingle. Wait, why isn't this playing? Start here.
It's Wednesday, February 19th.
Did you guys know that?
Podium cost
Freezing.
what, a few $100 billion tops? We start here. Primaries are supposed to shrink the field, but tonight in Las Vegas, there will be a new face on the debate stage.
I want to hear from Mike Bloomberg that he is going to let these women talk.
Michael Bloomberg has been sharpening his talking points, but his new rivals have been sharpening their knives. If the White House is a reality show, the new catchphrase is, "You're pardoned."
One person wrote me and said there's a ton more, just wait.
How a former Apprentice star and a slew of regulars just found themselves on the receiving end of presidential clemency. And China exports a lot more than coronavirus.
Apple not only is producing, but they also sell a lot of iPhones in China.
While the outbreak overseas could have an outsized effect on your wallet. From ABC News, this is Start Here. I'm Greg Milton.
They're gonna make iPhones more expensive because
As campaigns turn into debates, and debates turn into actual caucuses and primaries, we've seen this Democratic field become
look at
more
the
and
cute
more
little
pointed
doggies.
with their criticism of each other.
We need people with experience. That's why I'm worried about Mayor Pete.
It is not real, Bernie, because 2/3 of the Democrats in the Senate are not on your bill.
If we do what Joe wants, we'll be spending some $50 trillion on healthcare over the next 10 years.
But through all that, one voice has been missing.
So let me say this, Mr. President.
This guy.
You can't bully me, and I won't let you bully the American people.
Tonight in Nevada, former mayor of New York City, Michael Bloomberg, will step onto his first presidential debate stage. And if you're thinking, wait a minute, this is ludicrous. Dude started running almost a year after everyone else. He has not been on a primary ballot. He's not even on the ballot in Nevada. You're right. The reason he got on the stage wasn't because of any of that. It's because of national polls like this.
An NPR PBS NewsHour Marist poll put him in second place nationally with 19% support.
See, like it or not, Michael Bloomberg and his aggressive ad campaign are on the rise. In fact, just this morning, ABC News has a new poll out showing him ahead of the candidates who claimed to get the biggest bumps out of New Hampshire. So let's take you to Las Vegas this morning. ABC's political director, Rick Klein, is gearing up for this tantalizing debate. Rick, I've not been this excited for a debate since Marianne Williamson was getting on stage. Like, what's this going to be like?
It's a new phase in the campaign. Look, Michael Bloomberg spent some $400 million already setting a record just to get to this point.
Super Tuesday is just 2 weeks away, and we are going to make every second count.
He's not anywhere that a voter can actually vote for him for another couple of weeks, but he's going to be on that stage. And let me tell you, Bloomberg's team is excited about this possibility. He's been prepping for it. He's had campaign aides who are playing various different figures in the Democratic field. They've had lots of time to study because there have been so many debates. But the difference here is he is not just going to take some swings himself, but he is going to get swings right back because everyone really wants to take on Michael Bloomberg.
You have a record in New York City that included racist policies like stop and frisk.
As much as he has wanted to be part of this field and this conversation, there are so many candidates that view him as an effective foil.
I don't think I can beat him on the airwaves, but on the debate stage, we'll be an equal fit.
So we see how he is able to handle some of the punches and counterpunches.